Hello, welcome back. So we're on day 3 here, so good morning. Hope you've slept well. We've got a busy day ahead. You accepted the job yesterday, and so the customer's PC has arrived. It needs to be spray painted red, so we take it to your workbench and let's get spraying. I feel like deja vu here. That message is definitely a bug because we're replacing the air cooler. Alright, so here we go. Let's pick this up. Let's take it to our bench over here. Missing parts. You're missing the following parts of this job. AMD Wraith Prism. Haha, yes, we've got to pick up our delivery from the box. AMD Wraith Prism, air cooler. Fantastic. We've got it. Alright, let's do this and get rid of the broken bit. Placing components. You have the new air cooler, so now you just need to exchange it with the old one. To begin, left click continue. Alright, so we need to remove the side panel. Undo the screws. Remove the cable. Remove the air cooler. Select the CPU to clean it. Oh yes, let's clean the thermal paste of this lovely Ryzen CPU. Very clean. Let's install. Let's do a bit of thermal paste. Put some in the middle. Fantastic, sufficient paste applied. We like that confirmation. Install, CPU cooling, AMD Wraith Prism, it's new. Some components can be rotated when installing them. Hold left click to adjust their air cooler's rotation. Hold left click. Ah, yes. It's pretty cool actually. Cool. Cabling. Let's connect it to the motherboard so it actually works. And let's check it can boot the OS now, I guess. Let's put the side panel back on. Congratulations, well done for successfully replacing the air cooler. Power up the PC to ensure it works before taking it to the delivery area. Alright, let's power it. Oh, they want us to plug in the cables manually. Okay, okay. Power, power. USB, 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 HDMI, HDMI. Ready to boot. Power it. Right, all we have to do is check it can boot so we don't have to, like, go on it. Omega system, it's looking promising. Look at that air cooler, pretty cool. Alright, that's it. Alright, so let's decable it. And place it back in the delivery area. We only spent half the budget on that part, so that's pretty good. I wonder whether we still get all the money for it though. 117.50, collect. We do, fantastic. So we fixed the cooler. 170 parts, 50, 220, 196 profit. Fantastic. Right, more emails. Ooh. Cassante, much appreciation for the new case. It was exactly what I asked for. Unfortunately, it was also so perfectly matched to the red I had used to paint the walls that I tripped over it and landed on my nose. Oh, that's sad. My next project will be about the interface between technology and pain. I'm really feeling this one. Peace, Cassante. Calamity! Hello, thanks so much for assisting with my virus problem. The computer did indeed seem to run more smoothly after your ministrations. However, I now find myself in the teeth of another difficulty. I have no idea what an SSD is. I wrongly assumed it would be a rather delicate medical issue. But a computer-literate friend assures me that mine is broken and needs to be replaced. He has kindly allowed me the use of his laptop to send this missive, but I am leery of trying his patience too far. Could you see your way to replacing the relevant part for me as soon as possible? Best wishes, Giorvin. $170, labour, 130 parts, replace the SSD. Right, so if we look at the PC stats, that's the SSD, and it's broken. At least I think it is. Yeah, let's accept it. It's in transit. SSD, yeah, okay, $90. Let's do that. Link it to Georbin's job. Checkout, free next day delivery, $90. Fantastic. So we've got that sorted. Big J Party Man. Party time. Yes, mate. What's up, mate? You good? Oh dear. I bought this PC for playing music at my house party. It's proper cool. We call him DJ Computer. DJ Computer in the house. Whoop whoop. Can you paint the outside case green so it contrasts with the sick red lights inside? But don't spray the glass because I want to see the bling. Cheers, Jay. Yeah, I understand that. I don't want the glass spraying. Labour 120 parts, 20. Objectives, paint case green. Do not customise the glass. Okay. What could I possibly have to buy for this? I'm pretty sure we've already got green paint. I don't know if you could even buy green paint. Yes. So I'm kind of feeling we've got green as an available colour. So if you look at the calendar now, Geobin's fix the SSD, which is there, and the Big J Party Man for tomorrow. Fantastic. So we're working our way nicely up to level 3 here. Some pretty easy days after that hectic first day. So that's it for day 3. That is it. So we're going to leave it there. And don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest PC Building Simulator 2 videos. And we shall see you again shortly. Bye.